If your home is brand new or you just finished a renovation, your ducts are already dirty. Not from years of living in it, from the build. This is a floor diffuser in a home that's just been finished. The protective film is still on the door frame. Nobody has really lived here yet. And look what's sitting in the duct. During a build or a reno, the furnace runs and the vents sit open. Every cut and every sanding pass sends that fine dust straight into the returns, and the system carries it through the house. Drywall dust is the finest material on a job site. It travels, it settles, and it packs into the runs. That pile on the floor came out of one diffuser. So it isn't a cosmetic job. Until that's cleaned out, your brand new furnace is circulating construction dust through a house you just paid to finish. Just built or just renovated? Get it cleaned before you settle in. Flat rate, all your ducting included. Call 780-932-7337 or see every price at homeprosgroup.com. Home Pros Group. Quality you can trust.